Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Sam in Alabama on the Ranger TRE TopOne. The TRE TopOne is a single final MOSFET radio. It has a bass and treble here that has been disabled, and the echo has been enabled here, so this is your echo now. We did our tuning alignment as well, and the Toshiba voltage regulator. I'm going to start with our power all the way down. 25 watt slug. 1 watt all the way down, 5 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low 13.5 bird, 50 watt slug and peak. Low 29 PEP. All right, Sam, we're going to get this out to you, man. It's going to work out good for you. Beautiful radio, and hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.